Through just 4 days of trial this week, jurors heard from law enforcement, technology experts, friends, families, and today, farm employees about the state of Dale and Dee's marriage and the investigation into Dee's disappearance and death.
Melissa Andrews begins our extended coverage tonight in Adrian, breaking it all down.
More testimony wrapped up this week in the dee-warner murder trial, with jurors hearing from technology experts, family, friends, and law enforcement, and today farm employees about the state of Dale's marriage and the investigation into dee-warner's disappearance and death. Earlier in the week, jurors also heard body camera video and testimony from Deputy Austin Hall. He told the jury dee-warner described an argument with Dee on April 24, 2021, rating it a 5 out of 10 and saying they've had worse fights. Warner said Dee developed a migraine and stayed on the couch while he worked. Hall testified Warner denied confronting Dee about affairs, but speculated she may have been. Investigators told him he was a huge potential suspect, and detectives documented no visible scratches on his body. Witnesses described a strained marriage. Dustin Lawley testified Dee appeared more relaxed when Dale wasn't around and said Dale made degrading comments. A massage therapist described bruising on Dee, including marks resembling handprints. A close friend said Dee spoke about divorce the day before she disappeared. Under cross-examination, witnesses acknowledged they never saw Dale physically harm her. Day 4 focused on digital evidence. A Michigan State Police cell phone specialist testified that Dee's phone last connected to a tower near the Munger Road property at 7:14 a.m. on April 25th. She received 75 calls that day and made none after the afternoon of April 24th. A General Motors expert testified more than 50 vehicle location requests were made from an iPhone in the weeks before her disappearance, but said there's no way to determine who is using the device. On day 5, Detective Daniel Dreyer detailed the 2024 discovery of Dee's remains inside an anhydrous tank on property linked to Warner. The medical examiner testified she died from multiple blunt force injuries combined with strangulation and ruled it a homicide, estimating her death occurred on or about April 25, 2021. Today, day 6, jurors heard from Warag Farms employees. Ivan Boyd walked the jury through surveillance video from April 25th, identifying Dale operating heavy equipment throughout the day and later carrying welding gear. Boyd testified welding was typically done in the old or new shop, never in the spray barn, where there was also an anhydrous tank seen in one video. Longtime employee Jim Hawkins testified he prepares anhydrous tanks but has never cut one open, placed an out-of-service tag on one, or seen welding done in the spray barn. An out-of-service tag was found on tank number 34, the tank where Dee's body was discovered. The defense continues to challenge the timeline, the digital data, and witness accounts. We're back in court on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Reporting in Adrian, Melissa Andrews, WTOL 11.